A glossy raven fills the frame against a soft desert sky. Iridescent feathers flash blue and violet as the light shifts, and the heavy bill catches a pale highlight. Evening air is quiet and cool, with a faint creosote scent after a breeze. The bird tilts its head, and the small throat hackles show along the neck. I moved in slowly and waited for the raven to settle, letting the sky turn pastel behind it. To hold detail in the dark plumage, I nudged exposure and watched the histogram, keeping the background clean and soft. When the eye caught a bit of open light and the beak outlined cleanly, I pressed the shutter and felt that spark you get when a wild face looks straight through you. This bold black con sky portrait adds modern drama to a living room, office, study, or den. Choose your preferred finish: fine art paper print for classic framing, gallery wrapped canvas for ready-to-hang texture, sleek aluminum metal for a contemporary look, or luminous acrylic for extra depth. Every option is produced with long-lasting UV-resistant inks, so the raven's sheen and the gentle desert sky stay true over time.